Hi, how are you? Let me introduce you to our Los Angeles office. Come follow me. This is 3450 Wilshire Boulevard. This is the next building of Bank of America building, very famous. Everybody knows about it. And if you have any question about American immigration or investment, we can help you with that. As I said, we have been in practice for more than 6 years, and in these last 6 years, we have done so much because we provide 100% accurate service. We try our best to provide service. So, by the way, when you come here, you have to press this button. Our floor is 11th floor, so we will take you there, and we'll show you how you can, go to our room. All right, come with me. I will show you how to go. So it's on the 12th floor. We're going to hit 12. So this is the front of our office. You can come inside. Come join with me. So this is the reception area. Someone will sit here. So you can tell her that you want to talk to us, and she will call our local representative. So when our receptionist will notify you, you can go inside our office. Let me show you how you'll go. So you'll come here, you open the door, and come with me, please. And let me show you our reception. Our conference room. So if you come with a big group, most likely I'm going to, invite you to sit here and talk with you as a group. But if you come with like a small group, people like 1 or 2 person, most likely I will like to take you to our office room. And while we are going to our room, let me tell you one very important information. A lot of time when we immigrants, we apply for any kind of benefit to either USCIS or immigration court or US embassy in a foreign country. If we do any mistake, informative mistake or documentary mistake or procedural mistake, US government sometimes they take it as a fraud. They think that you did fraud intentionally. As a result, you will be denied of your application. However, in many cases, it is not intentional. It's an unintentional mistake. But US government, they will not know it. So I would highly recommend you, even for a small immigration application, I would highly recommend you to talk to an expert immigration attorney like me, take appropriate help, and then submit your application with 100% accuracy. Come inside. So this is our office. Our branch manager, he sits here. When I come to Los Angeles, I sit here. And as I said, if you come with a small group, like 1 or 2 person, you can sit here. So I am attorney Raju Mahajan. I am dedicated to provide you 100% accurate legal service. Not only me, our other attorneys, case managers, co-workers all over the world. You can trust us, and we are dedicated to provide you 100% accurate information. Have a wonderful day.